Yo, my bro, I just blew a $50,000 funded trading account, all because of a restaurant menu. So that morning, I switched strategies and traded the New York Open, man. First trade loss, second trade break even. So now I only had one more trade left, man. Okay, that same day, my family decided they want to go to dinner, man. Now, mind you, I usually trade at my desktop. I don't trade nowhere else because I was new to this funding platform and I didn't know how to operate it on my phone. Okay, so we get to the place. Instead of me looking at the menu, I'm sitting there, staring at the charts, waiting for a setup now. Okay, my setup comes. I take him, but I shouldn't have. And when I looked again, he blew like straight through my stop loss. I waited again, like literally a second, and my actual A plus setup appeared. So I go and I try and take him because now I need to take it to make the money back based on my risk, and it doesn't allow me. And I get an email saying trading permissions revoked. Now I'm sitting there confused as hell because in my mind I didn't realize that I would blow the count because my max daily trailing drawdown was 48,000 and my account was sitting on 48,377. So I'm sitting there confused. I'm like, oh, okay. 5 minutes pass. I get another email saying I blew my account because I violated the max trailing drawdown by $6. So now I was even more confused and angry at myself because I caught on this nonsense where I shouldn't have. And if I didn't, I would have had my account stolen. But yeah, it is what it is. If you want to take away a message from this, I'll advise that you read your trading rules efficiently, you follow and respect the trailing drawdown rules and your risk rules. You follow one system, you be patient and you just trust in God that He has you and it's part of His will. So, Awe, just wanted to come on and say this and share my story and my joy. But Awe.